Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Quicken Deluxe the easy way. First, you'll want to install the software and set up your Quicken ID. Then, securely link all your financial accounts, like checking, savings, and credit cards. This initial setup is crucial for Quicken to automatically download your transactions. It usually takes just a few minutes to get everything connected and ready to go, providing a clear overview of your finances from day one. Once your accounts are linked, Quicken Deluxe makes managing your money simple. Regularly review your downloaded transactions to ensure they are correctly categorized. You can easily create custom categories to reflect your unique spending, like home renovation or pet care. For complex purchases, use the split transaction feature to allocate parts of a single transaction to multiple categories, giving you precise financial insights. Quicken Deluxe helps you build a strong financial future by simplifying budgeting. Establish a realistic budget by assigning spending limits to your categories based on your average income and expenses. Monitor your progress monthly to stay on track and identify areas for improvement. You can also set up specific savings goals, like a down payment for a house or a new car, and watch your progress towards achieving them. Finally, Quicken Deluxe offers powerful reporting tools to give you a complete picture of your financial health. Generate various reports to visualize where your money goes, helping you make informed decisions. You can also track your net worth and monitor investment performance over time. For tax season or deeper analysis, easily export your financial data. This comprehensive review helps you understand your financial journey and plan for success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.